How you doing, and thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings with some more LED lights for trucks. This is particular 2018 F-150 is featuring our LIN-6 up front in the grille. We also have our TIR3 as well as LED HAW Duo and our brand new Wicked stick in the back window we'll be showing you in a moment. But first, around the front of this truck, we needed some good quality emergency strobe lights for construction. And this particular client wanted an amber white warning on the front of this 2018 F-150. So we chose our LIN-6 quantity 2 in amber white split. We have them synchronized together, as you can see, and they are flipped upside down on one side, so the amber and white is firing in an X pattern. There you can kind of see a little better what I'm talking about. You can also see through the windshield there, the Wicked stick in the back window. This particular mount on the LIN-6 is very easy. It simply attaches right there to the grille. The wiring goes behind the grille and up through behind the headlight, and there isn't much behind that plastic, so worry not when you drill your hole. You simply have to drill a hole for the wire and affix the light right there with the 2 screws provided. As we flip around back, first thing I'd like you to notice is those OEM cargo lights that are on right now on each side of the third brake light. We do have our LED HAW Duo in that lens in white, but we were able to retain the OEM cargo light as well. As you can see, there's no need to remove the cargo light on the 18 F-150s as long as they're the basic trim package without the LED board. If your truck has factory LED cargo light, the bright white LED cargo light, much like a Lariat or a King Ranch or a Platinum or a Limited trim line has, you will need to remove that in order to put a strobe light there. As you can see back here, we have our LED HAW Duo in white in the cargo light. We also have our Wicked stick alternating in amber white in the back window there. It is an 8-head stick, extremely bright as you can tell. We have our HAW Duo. We used a LD version in the reverse on this truck. An LD or an HD version will work. Either one does fit. These particular in the reverse are amber, and next to the license plate there is our TIR3 in white. So here I've darkened up the camera quite a bit for you so you can see a little bit more of the color alternation that is happening on that Wicked stick bar. Now that's the camera just set on standard regular mode. Here you can see how we mounted those TIR3s next to the license plate. Another pretty easy mount. There is a steel plate behind there you'll have to drill through, so get yourself some good drill bits. But you drill your wire hole and you can mount up a vertical pair of TIR3s right next to the license plate on these new F-150s, just like that. Not sure if you can make it out in there, but if you see right there is our LED HAW Duo. You mount that in from the side after you drill a 1-inch hole in the factory reverse lens. You can see here, factory reverse bulb, LED Hideaway Duo. Factory bulb, Hideaway Duo. Factory bulb, Hideaway Duo. That's how you mount it in the reverse on the 2018 F-150s with the larger reverse lens like this. It's a little hard to see there, but I'm trying to get you a shot of the mounting inside of the LED Wicked stick. That product will be on our website soon, so stay tuned for that. Check out our website for detailed descriptions and links to all these products in the More Info or Show More tab below the video in the description. We will have also a cart link to purchase this entire kit as a whole. And in this particular build, the client requested a single switch, so we went ahead and put it right there, right above the headlight switch. Easy to see, easy to get to. This is our 3/4 inch round flush mount switch. This particular one is the blue small dot. I just wanted to show the mileage on this particular truck. 259. We love the brand new trucks. Here at Wicked Warnings, we can certainly take care of all of your fleet, be it brand new or gently used. Give us a call, email in, send a smoke signal, whatever works best for you. But get a hold of Wicked Warnings for all of your emergency lighting needs, your construction safety equipment, and all of your safety supplies and needs. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.